Hello guys, good evening. My topic is very important. 15 lazy employee given in the excuse, right? Lazy employee given in the excuse. The maximum is a 15, right? First, sir, market slow है, मार्केट में काम नहीं है. Understand is slow and market and activity in the should increase. Activity should be increase. What's your call and meeting your plan today? Just ask. Second is customer interested नहीं है, नहीं होता है या नहीं है. No, not every customer will convert. Not every customer will be convert. And how many new customer did you approach today, meet today, and share the quotation today? टाइम नेक्स्ट एक्सक्यूज टाइम नहीं मिला. ओके, लेट्स प्लान टुडे. नो गो, नो इशू. हाउ मेनी कस्टमर विजिटेड टुडे, राइट? इफ you did not you didn't get the time, how many customer visited today, right? नेक्स्ट इज सर नेटवर्क इशू है, नेटवर्क इशू था, फोन कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ. नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. ऑफलाइन विजिट. हाउ मेनी कॉल्स है ऑफलाइन विजिट? how and when you came in the network area, then you can call immediately. And follow-ups can and still and be done. And what did you cover? How many customers covered? सर सैटरडे है, सैटरडे को रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया, नहीं आया. follow-ups, you give the answer. Follow-ups is a key. Continuously you create it more follow-ups. You increase your increase your maximum lead generate. You follow again, right? Follow-up is a key. And which customer are you reconnecting? And today, which customer are you reconnecting today? No, right? Next excuse given in the excuse always because I have noticed in the data नहीं है था सर, मेरे पास डेटा नहीं था. Let's and fix that. How many resources walking customer handling, and you generate your references. How many customer the references track and suggest. And next excuse in the customer busy था. Customer excuse. Maximum we lazy employee can give in the sir, customer is very busy. It's just that's ask. That's normal. What is the next follow-ups? Time fixed. Next follow time fixed. How many call fixed today, right? Again employee can given in the excuse. Excuse given health issue tha, just health issues given in the health issues. Take care sir, take care. Let's keep today focus and focus in business. What target can your commitment now? And next employee can given in the sir, no one can under supported me. टीम सपोर्टेड. टीम से सपोर्ट नहीं मिला, बॉस से सपोर्ट नहीं मिला. I am here to support. If team member is not supported you can ask me. I am supported you. Please let's fix call and one deal, and let's go in market and together. And today last given in the employee initial location बहुत दूर था, टाइम नहीं मिला, लोकेशन बहुत दूर था, मैं अकेले कैसे जाती, मैं कैसे जाता. ओ प्लान इन द नियर बाय कस्टमर. यू जनरेट इन द लीड नियर बाय कस्टमर. यू फॉलो द नियर बाय कस्टमर. यू चेक if you do not have conveyance, and you generate the more lead and the nearby customer, and you follow more. And सर क्लाइंट डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं, क्लाइंट के डॉक्यूमेंट रेडी नहीं थे या नहीं. गुड बाय. when will you get it today? Confirm timeline. Ask. No, ask. You please call the customer. Ask. Just लिया होगा. You take in the time. Customer share it to WhatsApp through. Sir, already tired, but टायर्ड था सर, बट नो रिजल्ट सर. वो थका हुआ था सर, मैं कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आया सर. मैं ऐसे कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आया सर, वह थका था सर. मैं कैसे उसको सर, मैं कैसे करती उसको सर. क्लाइंट जस्ट लोकेशन नहीं है, लोकेशन यही है, इसको देंगे. लोकेशन पर था, क्लाइंट ने डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं दिए, ऑलरेडी टायर्ड बट नो रिजल्ट सर. कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आया सर, मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी. Let's change the approach. You as a leader, as a boss, let's say your approach, your change, your focus change, your skill change, your communication change, your pitching is change. How many press call, how many new customer, how many press attempt today, right? How many customer new press today, how many meetings press customer today. Just ask. Another customer employee can give more, lazy employee can more. इसको सर मूड नहीं था सर, मूड नहीं था. आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट कंसिस्टेंसी बिल्ड and today, and let's focus on activities and business in the action plan, right? Your human body and your god given in the full body, and super head computer, and focus on action, please. सर अदर काम था, मैं नहीं कर पाया था. ओके, लेट्स प्रैक्टिस एंड बिजनेस. लेट्स प्रैक्टिस ऑन बिजनेस. प्रैक्टिस टू वर्क. प्रैक्टिस, यू लव टू वर्क. यू प्रैक्टिस मोर टाइम इन परफॉर्मेंस, मोर टाइम इन ड्यूटीज, मोर टाइम टू वर्क. नेक्स्ट सर, कर करूँगा, कल मैं इतना इनकम कर दूंगा, कल कर देंगे. Oh, let's not delay. What can we complete and today and itself. How can achieve the target? Today means today. Don't give in the excuse. Employee can given in the lazy employee can given in the maximum the 15 excuse. Please give the answer as a leader and proper. You understand, because I've noticed last 9 and 10 years. Notice maximum. Every maximum employee can given in the same excuse. If lazy employee can give more excuse. If performance employee can love to work, given not excuse, and proper time management, discipline, no time issues, any no issues. You love to always you, because he and she mindset is growth. Guys, please like and subscribe plus comment लेके फॉरवर्ड करेगा मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम, बिकॉज माई टारगेट मंथ ऑफ मार्च 50 videos. Doing the job, doing the work, every, because I do not have a lot of time, but consistency is important, so I make videos lot of. Today my agenda is at least 5 and 6 maybe, because I reached 39 and 40 something. I will make in the 10 videos. आप लोग मुझे लाइक करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और कमेंट लिखेंगे तो मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलेगा. आप मेरे बेल घंटे जो सब्सक्राइब बटन है, इसे सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, पुश करिएगा मुझे, ताकि मुझे मोटिवेशन मिल सके, आप लोगों को मिल सके, मैं मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम वीडियो बना सकूं आप लोगों तक. माई एजेंडा इज विद इन 1 year and 600 videos. Any topic, it's my brain capture in the any contents, so I will make videos, whatever, anything, my my thinking, and everything is there, my voice, my right. Thank you guys. Okay.